Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. Today we're doing charbroiled oysters, but instead of the original way, we're going to do them jacked up with pepper jack cheese. We've got 12 beautiful Gulf oysters here that I got today. We're also going to make our own butter sauce, which is 1 stick of butter that I've left out in order to get soft. We're going to put some hot sauce in it, 4 cloves of garlic that I've already minced up, and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of onion powder in it. And then to top off the oysters, I've already grated up some pepper jack cheese, about 6 ounces worth. So let's go ahead and get started. To make the butter sauce, you take the 1 stick of butter that's been softened, left out to get room temperature, so at least about 30 minutes or so. Go ahead and do that. Add the 4 cloves of garlic. You can add more or less depending on your liking of garlic. One teaspoon of onion powder. And then just a couple dashes of hot sauce. Go ahead and mix that up now. You want to go ahead and whisk this very good for a couple minutes, so that way it becomes more like a creamy paste, so that way you'll be able to drizzle it onto the oysters. Alright, now that that's finished, we're going to go ahead and start the grill up. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start putting them on now. You want your grill at high temperature. That one will cooperate. Let them cook for about a minute or so. Go ahead and start putting the butter sauce on it now. come back to this one that needs a little bit more. Same with this one. Let that cook for a minute. Oh, next one. They cook pretty fast. Go ahead and start putting the cheese on it now. Little one's done. And just like that, the oysters are done. So, going for the taste test. Look at all that cheese there. Perfect. Just the way I like it. Nice little extra heat there from the Tabasco and the pepper jack cheese. Just great. Going for another one. I could eat several dozen of these. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.